Hey guys, welcome back to iCloud Go. Is your iPhone showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or try again later, and you can't get past the lock screen? Maybe you entered the wrong passcode too many times, forgot the passcode completely, or the forgot passcode option isn't showing up. Don't worry, your iPhone usually isn't broken, and in this video, I'll show you how to get it working again. Let's get started. The iPhone unavailable screen normally appears after the wrong passcode has been entered too many times. If you changed your iPhone passcode within the last 72 hours and still remember the previous one, tap Forgot Passcode and select Enter Previous Passcode. Enter your old passcode and then follow the instructions to create a new one. This may let you unlock the iPhone without losing your data. If that option isn't available, or you've completely forgotten the passcode, you'll need to reset the device. Method 1. Reset the iPhone using Forgot Passcode. Let's start with Apple's built-in solution. This method works directly from the unavailable screen, so you don't need a computer. From the iPhone unavailable screen, tap Forgot Passcode in the bottom right corner. Next, select Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple account password to sign out of the account on this device. Then tap Erase iPhone and confirm the action. If your iPhone uses an eSIM, you may also see an option to keep or delete it. Keeping the eSIM can make reconnecting to your cellular service easier after the reset. Your iPhone will now erase its current data and settings. Once it restarts and displays the Hello screen, set it up again, create a new passcode, and restore your information from an available iCloud backup. This is the easiest official method, but it won't work if the Forgot Passcode button is missing or if your iPhone isn't connected to the internet. In that case, move on to the second method. Method 2. Fix iPhone unavailable with 4U-key. If you can't reset the iPhone from the lock screen, you can use 4U-key on a Mac or Windows computer. This method is very useful when the Forgot Passcode button isn't displayed or when your iPhone is stuck in security lock mode. First, download and install 4U-key on your computer. Launch the program. Select the option to unlock iOS screen. Now, connect the unavailable iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. If 4U-key detects the device normally, you can continue to the next step. If the iPhone isn't recognized, the program will show you how to put it into recovery mode. For most newer iPhones, keep the device connected to the computer. Quickly press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold the side button until the screen turns off and the recovery mode screen appears. Once 4U-key recognizes the device, click Download. The download time will depend on the speed of your internet connection. When the firmware is ready, click Start Remove. Keep the iPhone connected during the entire process. Don't close the program, disconnect the cable, or use the device while the screen passcode is being removed. After the process is complete, the iPhone will restart and display the Hello screen. You can now set it up again and create a new screen passcode. If you previously created an iCloud or computer backup, select that backup during setup to restore your photos, messages, apps, settings, and other information. Remember that removing a forgotten screen passcode will erase the data currently stored on the iPhone. If Find My is enabled on your device, Apple may also ask you to enter the Apple ID and password associated with that device during the setup process to complete activation. Only use this method on an iPhone that you own or have permission to manage. And that's how to fix an iPhone unavailable screen when you've forgotten the passcode. Which method worked for you? Let me know your iPhone model and the message shown on your screen in the comments. Subscribe to iCloud Go for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching. Peace.